Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to play Little Bit of Love by Jack Johnson. So if you want to join me for it, grab a guitar and follow along. All I need is a little sun, sun for me, sun for everyone. And all I need is a little air, some for me, some for everywhere. Little bit of love, little bit of love. Whoa. And all I need is some water to drink, a quiet place so I can sit and think. And if I find me a pot of gold, I'll never forget about the rainbow. Little bit of love, little bit of love, whoa, little bit of love, little bit of love. All I'm really trying to say is I need you, and you, and you. Every little bit of love, give me two. All I need is a happy home, someplace I wouldn't have to be alone. Would be nice to have some candlelight to light the fire in your heart at night. Little bit of love, all that I need. A little bit of love, don't be greedy. A little bit of love, it's all that I need. Don't be greedy. Oh, little bit of love, little bit of love. Oh, little bit of love, little bit of love. Little bit of love.